Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add international shipping to your Depop listings. So first of all, simply come here on depop.com. You can also follow the same steps inside your Depop mobile application. Make sure that you first of all log in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here, click on the sell now button, or you can also click on your profile icon on the top right hand corner. Then you can click on the option of your selling hub. Now this way you will be landed here on this particular page where you can either open the listing that you want to sell internationally, or if you haven't already created a listing yet, you can just simply start a new listing and then start adding your items photos, description, price and other useful information. Now over here on this page, when you just scroll down a bit, you are going to see this particular section that says shipping. Now over here the domestic shipping option will be selected, so you just have to simply just click on it. You need to then verify your account, and after that you need to add a new shipping address. Now over here, when you are adding a new shipping address, you need to make sure that the worldwide option is selected. Then you can just simply enter the international shipping price that you want to charge, and make sure that the amount covers your expected postage cost for sending the package internationally. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.